Students, today we are going to discuss about the another compound of aluminium named aluminium chloride. This one is the unhydrated form of aluminium chloride. Its molecular formula is Al2Cl6. This one is known as dimeric form. Of aluminium chloride and also it is represented by the monomeric form AlCl3. Both two molecular formulas belong to the compound aluminium chloride because some chemical reactions are completed with AlCl3 and also some one is Al2Cl6. Both are same but their form are different. First we discussed about how can we produce it. So formation methods of anhydrated aluminium chloride. First method from chlorine. RCl2. When aluminium metal react with chlorine Cl2, then it makes aluminium chloride Al2Cl6. For balancing we use digit 2 and 3. Now second method, it is also known as the acidic method, named from hydrochloric acid. And the molecular formula of hydrochloric acid is HCl. Students, you know that any acid react with metal, then they make their salt and release hydrogen gas. And you know that an element who have the excretion capacity of electrons are also we say that have the capacity for the formation of cations, then they are known as metals. So all metals, first A group or second A group, alkaline metals or alkaline earth metals or third A group elements also be studied here, boron and aluminium or etc. Followed the common concept, metal react with acid to form salt and release hydrogen gas. So this method is also belong this phenomenon. Chemical reaction is given as aluminium Al react with hydrochloric acid HCl to form aluminium chloride, Al2Cl6. For balancing we used digit 6 for chlorine, for aluminium 2, and for hydrogen 3, H2. This is the most important formation method of aluminium chloride. So these are the preparation methods. Now we discussed about their properties. First physical properties, then chemical properties. Properties of aluminium chloride. Physical properties. Its unhydrated form is found in solid state. So we say that its physical state is solid. Now second point, it is soluble in water. Now third, its color is white. Now fourth, its nature is like as a covalent compound. So these are the important physical properties of aluminium chloride. Now we take some chemical reaction for the knowledge of chemical properties. First reaction is the effect of temperature. Chemical properties. Effect of temperature. This property shows the nature of their dimeric form to monomeric form. Al2Cl6 is heated at high temperature, near about 800 degrees Celsius temperature. Then it gives their monomeric form, unhydrated monomeric form, AlCl. Now next, reaction with water. H2O, it makes aluminium hydroxide and subtracted HCl. Al2Cl6 plus H2O makes AlOH whole taken 3 plus HCl. For valency, we use 3 and 6. So both two reactions are the form of their dimeric structure, and now we take some chemical reaction for their monomeric structure. So next reaction is a example of addition reaction. A reaction with ammonia NH3. It reacts with ammonia AlCl3 plus 6 molecule of ammonia react with one another to make an addition compound AlCl3 dot 6 NH. Now next, a reaction with caustic soda NaOH. Aluminium chloride AlCl3 plus NaOH gives aluminium hydroxide AlOH whole taken 3 and subtracted sodium chloride NaCl. Now next, reaction with ammonium hydroxide NH4OH. AlCl3 react with ammonium hydroxide NH4OH to make AlOH का whole taken 3 plus ammonium chloride NH4Cl. Now last reaction, a reaction with silver nitrate AgNO3. It is also known as a lunar caustic. It reacts with aluminium chloride AlCl3 plus AgNO3 gives AgCl plus AlNO3 whole taken 3. So students, these are the important chemical properties of aluminium chloride. Now another class we discussed the last compound of aluminium, alums. Studied here different type of alums, what is the common formula of alums, and some reactions with their uses.